I love spending time in my garden. It's so peaceful and relaxing. Do you have any flowers in your garden? Which ones are your favorites?
Watering the plants is my daily morning routine in the garden.
I'm planning to grow some vegetables in my garden this year.
I enjoy sitting on the bench in the garden and reading a book. It's amazing to watch the plants grow and bloom throughout the seasons.
I planted some herbs in my garden and they add a lovely fragrance.
We often have family picnics in the garden during weekends. I like to listen to the birds chirping while I work in the garden.
I'm trying out some gardening tips I found online to improve my plant's health. There's a little pond in my garden with some goldfish swimming around. My garden has a mix of sunflowers, roses, and lilies. It's a riot of colors. I built a small wooden fence around my garden to keep out rabbits and deer. The sound of wind chimes in the garden creates a calming atmosphere. My kids love playing hide and seek among the bushes and trees in the garden. Gardening has become my favorite hobby. It's both enjoyable and therapeutic.